some salt, make some space, then combine the wet and dry ingredients. Just mix it until well combined. Then we are going to start preheating our oven. Preheat your oven to 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. And then we will prepare our baking flours. You can use any baking flour of your choice. You can use a round, thin, you can use a square, you can use the mini portions, you can use mini baking flours. The choice is endless. Then scoop your batter into your baking pan. And then we're going to bake the cake for about 30 to 35 minutes. From 25 to 35 minutes, depending on the warmth of your oven or depending on the kind of oven you are using. So we're going to bake until a skewer or a toothpick inserted comes out clean. That's it. You have your pound cake all baked. Take it out of the oven, allow it to cool for quick on low heat, 10 to 15 minutes. Invert the cake or remove the cake from the pan. And that's it. You have your pound cake. You can use this cake for normal birthdays or cake or frost this cake